See. Nice. Very good. Excellent.
What's up guys, कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. Time is around 6 o'clock. We're kind of a little bit late, but that's okay. Anyways, we're checking out right now. This is the advantage of having just 2 people in the ride. Otherwise, usually it goes to 2 hours late. I had to start by 6 o'clock. Now it is 6 o'clock. By the time we go to the bikes and start the bike, it's gonna be maybe 6:30 because we're also hungry. Usually they don't serve breakfast at this hour, but we made a special request. They said they'll do it. They packed us some grilled veg sandwich and grilled chicken sandwich. We're gonna have that, and I think I'll see you on the bike. Bye bye, beautiful view. I think we'll see you again in this year or next year. At a beautiful room. Bye bye. We should definitely be eating this and going. We cannot carry such huge breakfast. Oh man, it is so beautiful out here. I really miss coming out here early in the morning. Every day we used to sleep at least till 7:30. But look at it, sunrise is happening and you can see nice beautiful orange behind me. Okay, quickly take a screenshot for a wallpaper. The Charan is paying the huge bill. Meanwhile, I thought I'll come here for one last time and check it out. Oh, that's nice. Good breakfast they gave us. 2 sandwiches, fruits, ketchup, croissants. Already packed, getting out. Time is 6:40 in the morning. Let me message my dad and mom that I've started, and the reason I tell you the time when I start is so that we have a log about how much time did it take and all that. Hey Dad, started from Goa. See you at home tonight. Chalo. Nice clear skies, good day to ride, pleasant weather right now. 6:45 AM, 26 degrees as of now. Bye bye Goa, see you soon. Wow, beautiful yaar, beautiful weather. Arey, look at the scenery. Okay, from here home is literally 14.5 hours. Charan's home. My home might be left or right? My home would be another half an hour away from his, so 15 hours for me to reach Malkajgiri from Goa, Aguada. 650 kilometers, right?
650 kilometers. That's gonna be kind of a huge ride today. It's been long since we've ridden like that. Yeah, usually we don't see sunrise because we don't get up early in Goa. We come here for relaxation. So very rare to see this kind of sunrise. Oh no, if we would start 1 hour early, we would see nice sunrise in the Ghats. That would be beautiful. See, usually we started around 5 o'clock in the morning from Goa in our previous rides. This is a little bit late, but I think we'll still cover most of the distance. Reason being, I told you, right, just 2 of us, so we might not be taking much breaks. And I think it is taking us through the same Ghats, right? Same route from the route we came, which is definitely beautiful. And Charan, don't get tempted to stop there again. At that sunrise, sunset, sunrise, whatever, sunrise point. Yeah, we definitely need to stop for fuel break. Half a tank here, but still, once we top it up, no need to worry about that in the Ghats. Yeah, actually I don't know why, but in the morning my horn is active. No, gaya. Abhi tak aaya actually. This is playing around with me, yaar. Just now it came and then I switched on the camera and it's gone. As you can see, roads are like this going through Amboli. I think we are going through Amboli Ghats. If you have an ADV, you can manage it. I mean, any bike can go. Only thing is you're more comfortable on ADV. See, a lot of patches. Horrible patches. We could go from Shorla Ghat also, but one of my subscribers was telling me don't take that route because roads are literally washed out there. I'm not sure if that is true, but we came from the same route, so we like this route. हैदराबाद को वापस जा रहे हैं अभी.
कब आए थे? तो गोवा आए थे.
हाँ, गोवा आए थे.
गाड़ी में बात कुछ नहीं है ना?
हाँ,
गाड़ी में अल्कोहल वगैरह
नहीं नहीं. I think this is the customs. I'm not sure. Actually, the checkpost. I think that is the checkpost, border checkpost of Maharashtra. So they asked us if we have alcohol. Obviously, we don't carry alcohol and all that. But usually, that is a practice they check. Because usually people coming from Goa, you know, right? They come for alcohol and all that stuff. And alcohol is pretty cheap in Goa. Apart from that, I also learned petrol is cheaper than Hyderabad. I mean, I know that before. Not much, but I think there's a difference of 2-3 rupees. Hyderabad mein 81 or 82 hai petrol. 87. Oh, okay. 87 in Hyderabad, and here it is 79 rupees. Almost 10 rupees difference. Nice steep Ghats again. This is the only Ghat section we have from Goa to Belgaum. But yeah, very steep Ghats. After this, we're gonna have that beautiful section where we got a drone shot. Yeah, by the way, this town is called Kodali. Guru Charan Kodali. Charan owns the town. He didn't tell us all these years. That is the reason Charan is able to afford a BMW. Oh yaar, look at this steep. One turn mein 2 floors. Very beautiful. See that? This looks like a proper carpet. green carpet on a wall. Windows wallpaper coming up. Windows XP wallpaper coming up right here. और थोड़ा सामने. Right. There you go. Windows XP wallpaper. We are done with this already, so no stopping here. Still, if you want to see the drone shot, here you go. ప్రాపర్ సినిమా చూసినట్టు చూస్తున్నారు అందరూ. టికెట్లు పెట్టుకుంటే పోతుంది, డబ్బులు అని వస్తాయి పెట్రోల్కి.
Okay, done approximately. They don't know how much should we do. Your location to Taj Aguada, 6 hours 4 minutes from Taj Aguada. That is 259 kilometers, 260 kilometers to be precise. Till here, another. If you want to take 415 kilometers, 8 hours 15 minutes, almost 9 hours, 9 hours to home. 8 o'clock we should be home. This is including without breaks. So we'll be taking breaks and all. Maybe at least 1 hour of that. So close to 9 hours, 9.5 hours to reach home. Ride was really good. Only thing is there was a lot of huge potholes. I'm pretty sure I dropped my bike like in crazy potholes, and I really got a doubt. Maybe I punctured my tire or maybe I bent the rim. So now it looks fine. And I need to fill air here. I'm not able to find air anywhere. All the petrol bunks, they have petrol but no air. Definitely there are micro bends in my rim. Oh yes, I can see a small bend here. See this? But I think this is old. Properly, I could hear shattering sound. Patak, patak, 2 times. And while going to go also once. I hope everything is fine. All good. I'll take 5 minutes break and carry on. The quick ride update covered 405 kilometers, 1:15 p.m. in the afternoon. Another 5 hours 50 minutes left, 277 kilometers. That's it. That's cool. To my house. Now we just stopped for lunch now. Time is proper lunch time, 1:50 p.m. You people ask me not to repeat it multiple times, but can't help it. I'm gonna have my tiffin box. Right now temperature is like proper 31 degrees, 32 degrees. My bike mein 31. BMW mein showing 33, but yeah, actually it feels like 33. So let's have lunch and
Chalo, done with the lunch break. Now time is around 1:40 p.m. in the afternoon. Proper hot hai. 33.5 degrees dikha raha mera gaadi, which is not correct because we stopped. That is the temperature. Once we move, see already 33 ko aa gaya. It should be around 31. Feels like 31 degrees. No offense to Swift owners, but somehow it's always a Swift guy who is trying to race with us. You see that white Swift? He's trying to race with us from that time. Actually, we were in front of him. He was coming too close to us, so we gave side, and now he's slowing down. Should we break his ego? We know we can break his ego with second gear, but let's not do that. And actually, he went very close to that lorry. You saw the truck? Very close. He was trying to overtake one more truck on the left, and there was an opposite truck coming just like this, and he almost banged into it. Almost. No, if you go samne, he's trying to come very close to you to overtake and show off. He's risking others as well. That is the reason. Look at the way he's driving, dude. See, look at him go. See? putting so many people under danger. Forget others, he's putting me in danger. He came till here, yeah. See. Nice. Very good. Excellent. Very good. He's trying to come again. This is bliss. To watch this, it is bliss. This is the highway we need to take. This is the NH, proper 4-lane highway. Zahirabad highway. Go piche, we'll go to Solapur, Mumbai highway. This side, Hamara Ghar, Hyderabad. Time is 3:30 and we are here on the highway. Finally 4-lane. Finally 4-lane after almost 5-6 days. It's so nice to look at this highway. Oi. Oh yes, by the way, horn is working finally because I'm reaching home. I don't know why, but it starts working now. Properly from the last 1 hour, half an hour it's working. అరే దాని టైర్ షాప్ కనిపించిన ఆపరా గాలి కొట్టించుకుంటా బండి తేడా పోతుంది. Something should happen. 1 second, I doubt if it's a puncture or anything else. Let me see. I hope it's not a tire tear again. I stopped, wait. Puncture, full puncture hua. I think it happened just now. Okay, luckily there is a puncture shop here. Let's get it done. There should be a puncture because Seaman rides every trip. I need a puncture to be done. That marks a proper ride. Arey, I need help. Here tubeless unda leda firstly. లేకపోతే మనది వేసుకుందాం అట్లీస్ట్. ట్యూబ్లెస్ ట్యూబ్లెస్ పంక్చర్ ఉందంట. 2 3 yes, this is the one. మొత్తం పోయింది. this is the one. क्या बोलो भैया? 5 लाख. Telangana state, we are entering Telangana state in 5 4 3 2 1. This is the check post. From here it is like border check post, RTA check post Telangana. Till here it was Karnataka, bro. Total it was almost 11 and a half hours to my house, which is kind of a good pace, very good pace actually. How could we do that? Usually it takes 12 to 13 hours, but then we did not take a break. Like we took breaks, but they were like very quick. Our lunch break was around 10 minutes and then chai break, bathroom break, all this were like total together maybe half an hour. That's it. Majority of the time like 11 hours, total 11 hours 30 minutes. Trying to spend 11 hours we were on the bike. Like I kept saying, this is how it is when there is like limited number of riders in the group. Anything beyond 4, I feel the ride gets really slow. But then when the group is bigger, the ride might be slower, but you'll have more fun as well because there are like a lot of your close buddies, so it doesn't matter even if the ride is a little bit slow. Anyways, you get the point, right? Right now I'm editing. It's not the same day, obviously. This is the next day. I'm trying to act as if it is the same day, and then I'm trying to show that I'm sleepy, but I'm not able to act like that. So anyways, the point is, I hope you guys have liked the entire Goa series. This was like a starter. We have bigger rides coming up. 600-700 kilometers one side is not that much of a deal for me, at least. I want to do much bigger rides. It's gonna happen soon. Just stay tuned. In case you've still not subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and definitely one thing I'll ask you is to like. That is like a
Shabash Shriman, shabash. Good job. Children, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, take care.